Hi, this is Abby, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool bracelet out of beads and rubber bands. It will be like this. Begin by placing the rubber band inside the bead like this. Then place the rubber bands and beads inside the pencil like this. Now place another bead and rubber band to the pencil like this, and then from the bottom rubber band, place it on top like this, and then same with the other side. When you are done placing all the rubber bands and all the beads, you need to connect them so they form an actual bracelet. In order to do your final step, you need to grab the first rubber band and place it on the pencil like this. Now you need to place the bottom rubber band on top and then the other side. Now you need to place one rubber band over on top like this, and then now you won't need this pencil or pen. Now put the connector on top of these two rubber bands and remove the rubber bands from the pencil. Now you have your bracelet.